Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 ways you can use vinegar to clean around your home. The first one is to use just straight vinegar to polish and shine your stainless steel appliances. It's supposed to help keep the streaks away so you don't have to do this as often. One of my favorite ways to use vinegar. It is just sweet, simple, and to the point, and that is my favorite kind of cleaning hacks. The next way you can use vinegar to clean is actually by cleaning mirrors or glass. This is my entertainment center. It is completely glass on these panels, and I will use vinegar to just wipe these down. If the vinegar smells a little bit too much for you, you can always dilute it down with a little bit of water, or you can add a couple drops of your favorite essential oil, but I tend to like to use straight vinegar, but it works really well. You can use this on mirrors, windows, anything glass, but this is hands down one of my favorite ways to clean. It saves me a lot of money on Windex every single year. The next way you can use vinegar to clean is actually on your countertops. The acidic value in vinegar is actually what helps it kill bacteria and germs and different things like that. I use this on my counters pretty much every single day. It's essentially the perfect multi-service cleaner. Once again, I save myself a lot of money every single year by just buying a gallon of vinegar at a time and essentially cleaning my entire house with nothing but vinegar and some essential oils and a little bit of water. Maybe a little bit of Dawn dish soap, but everything in this video is just straight vinegar. If you have marble countertops, granite countertops, or a sandstone countertop, you cannot use vinegar on it. The acidic value in the vinegar will actually take the shine off of your countertops. It'll make it dull. It'll basically just break down your countertops layer by layer by layer. So do not use vinegar sprays on those countertop materials. If you're like me though and you have the cheap stuff, it works really well. You can also use vinegar to clean out your trash can. As you can see, we've got some gunkies down here. I do have kids. Things fall out of the trash can all the time. Vinegar will help really break down any food that gets spilled in here. That's the acidic value in here that works really well for that. If you wanted to get rid of odor, you could also sprinkle in a little bit of baking soda. That would do wonders. If you want to see a couple other videos I have on how to clean out your trash can, remove odors, all those things, I'll link a couple videos up here and down the description box for you. But all you have to do is spray out your trash can, give it a good scrub, rinse it out, and you'll be good to go. Vinegar is one of my favorite ways to clean out my trash can next to toilet bowl cleaner. I'll link that video up here. To clean out the inside of your washing machine, you can take just a splash of vinegar. Throw it right here. If you have a top loading washer, you can go ahead and just throw it right in like you would detergent, anything like that. But I'm going to go ahead and shut this, and I'm going to put my washer on the longest and hottest cycle that it has. So I'm going to make sure that my water is hot, and then I'm going to put this on a heavy duty cleaning cycle. I'm going to go ahead and start that, and this is going to help maintain my washer by cleaning it out, rinsing it out, and of course getting rid of any bacteria that might create odors and things like that in my washer. One of my favorite vinegar cleaning hacks of all time.